Hi all, Rose Tan here, inspiring you to live the lifestyle that you want. I hope you all are doing really well. I would love to just discuss about the topic of why we choose to hold on, why we choose to not let go. And what I mean by that is that most of us choose to stay within that comfort zone, the known of what that we can actually predict what's to come. We would like to play that psychic fortune teller. We like to predict on what's going to happen the next few minutes, the next few hours, days ahead, or how long it is. It's the certainty and the control ego self of protecting ourselves, of trying to predict what's going to happen next. So that's why we actually choose to stay within that comfort zone. And comfort zone, here is a time where I will have to burst some bubbles. Comfort zone for us is basically long-term pain, short-term gain. When you choose to step out of your comfort zone to make magic happen, it is short-term pain, long-term gain. Now, those who feel that they are stuck, stagnant, they will remain of the feeling of stagnation. They become procrastinators. They will become self-pity, pity parties, Debbie Downers, whingers, complainers, self-talk. They feed to negativity. They feed to toxicity. It is like when you're near the darkness, then you will be pulled towards that darkness, as per se. You know, a lot of us would choose to prefer to stay in the known rather than the unknown. And that's where stepping out of your comfort zone is. But most of us aren't aware by taking that measurable risk, by falling in love with failure. So failing is a part of growth and development. Now, a lot of us would prefer not to fail because most of us would feel it's embarrassing, it's very shameful, we're just being silly, we're being stupid. But in reality, guys, it is like when we all learn how to first walk, on how to use a spoon instead of being spoon-fed instead. That all takes time. We weren't all magicians and have everything just, you know, in a fluke that we pick up everything in our lives in the first instance. We are just all here to learn and experience everything in life that has to offer. And it's up to us in making the right decisions at the right time. The right decisions in that time. Everyone is where they are, where they need to be at the right time, at the right place, in order for us to learn from it, take that valuable lesson to grow and expand our consciousness, our awareness, so that we can become the better, greatest version of ourselves. Okay? Now, it's, you know, for those to hold on, oh gosh, it is like unwanted baggage. It's like, you know, I know someone who is a gambler, and they went to all these therapy and help, but then at the end of the day, their decision and choices are to always go back to casinos and, you know, play those pokey machine games. And it's just an addiction. It's a bad habit, it's bad choice, and it's affecting their well-being, it's affecting, of course, their finances, but it's affecting their emotional state, affects their family, their loved ones, because it is like a bad addiction. But at the end of the day, if we choose not to take any resources of any type of help and really ingraining and let it reside, and to help you grow and to let go of any negativity that's not serving you well, that's not serving your highest purpose, then it's like, if I choose to let go of this poor habit, such as smoking, you know, if I choose to let go and quit smoking, then what would actually become of me it's stepping into the unknown. Like, I've been a smoker all my life. How am I going to let go of smoke? Who will I become? It's almost like, it is like self-discovery. When you let go, you become, this is why they call it transformations and breakthroughs. You transform yourself. It is like a butterfly from, you know, from transforming from a caterpillar into a beautiful butterfly. Okay, so you feel like you are reborn. It's daunting. It's very overwhelming for most of us. It's very confronting and it's scary. Okay, because we are stepping out into the unknown. But keep in mind, is it worth it? For me, yes, and to many of us, it is so worth it, because we are stepping into the magic of what we can create our world to become, right? It's worth the risk. And every day, guys, those who speak of risk, of risk takers not being clever enough or blah, 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 every day we take risk, right? Every day we put our health at risk by not putting good food into our system. Instead of, we go for artificial flavors, artificial drinks, or anything that's preserved, you know, it's preservatives and you know, all those unnatural food. If you're a pescatarian or vegetarian like myself, you can strongly relate, and most of you guys out there are vegan as well. So woo, go guys. Vegans are, oh my god, of course they're so enlightened, and they just have so much compassion for animals. Now, I love my cheese and I love fish. So and anyway, I hope I'm not getting sidetracked here. Okay, so those who actually choose to hold on, it's their safety net. Okay, it's what they actually know of. It's a part of their identity. Now, if someone could actually just say a particular saying like, why don't you just let go of that bag? How would your life be? Just anything like that can actually guide them and steer them in the right direction. Most of us, you know, they go through life and they feel that this is the only way of living their life, because that's all they are known, programmed and conditioned to be within that matrix world. That's them, and that they are just stuck. They have no way out. In reality, we all have choices, okay? And it's up to us to make the right choices for us at that time. I hope this video helps, guys. Up until next time, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification to notify you of new videos every Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. I hope you enjoy this video as much as I did sharing. And if I left anything, please leave me comments or feedback. I'll do my best to describe this video in depth in the description box. And stay well up until next time. Mwah.